What's up, guys? It's Justin Carpenter, EME 2040, and today I'm going to be presenting Moore's Law. So the first thing we ask is, who exactly is Gordon Moore? And Gordon Moore, he was a well-known businessman, scientist, engineer. Basically, he was a genius, and he had a lot of money, and he knew what he was talking about. He ended up being the co-founder of Intel Corporations back in the day. So what exactly is Moore's Law? What are we talking about here? Moore wrote an article for a journal in 1965, which basically he talked about his predictions on what he thought was going to happen to technology in the future, the advancements we'd be able to make as humans, and the jump we'd be able to make in like efficiency and speed. So when we get into the specifics about it, we talk about how he talks about how the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years, um, basically, which would make computers cheaper, but it would be more efficient. Basically, we would just every couple of years or so we would, advance in our technology. So that's the specifics here, and here's a graph pulled up to show you exactly what he means. Um, the biggest thing, or I'm sorry, the most relevant, relatable way I could think of Moore's law, taking place in our daily lives, iPhones. iPhones that come out with a new model every couple years. Right now I have the 12, which just came out last year, I believe. But I had a 10 before, or an X as they call it, and I got that in 2017. So you can see how they make a new model every year because they get better. Your old phone gets slower. It can't do as many things, like the widgets on the new iPhones, the new iOSs. So that is literally Moore's law. Technology jumping every couple of years. And, in conclusion, Gordon Moore, was a really smart guy, knew what he was talking about, and still 60 years later, he's still making an impact.